Chillmaster might end up going to prison. So this is what is happening to Chillmaster. I think a lot of you know the Chillmaster a few days ago or a few weeks ago akatsika somebody and akafira passport. So Chillmaster was in court on Wednesday, that is according to H Metro. So I'm going to base zvese zvakaitika mukoti according to H Metro because ndo vari kufambira nyaya dzacho. So according to H Metro, Chillmaster was in court facing culpable homicide charges. I had to look up kuti nditarise kuti macharges aya akamira sei and ane uremu hwakaita sei and what is it in general. So this is a definition culpable homicide. So culpable homicide refers to the unlawful killing of a person where the killer is at fault but the killing does not necessarily amount to murder. So it involves causing death through a wrongful act but without the level of intention or circumstances that would make it a murder. So in simpler terms, it's just killing somebody without the intention of killing him, of killing that person. For example, accident is something that you plan, but at the same time you have killed a person. This is what exactly happened to Chillmaster. So on Wednesday, Pangar court, according to H Metro, it said that akaramba kubudisa driver's license rake, akaramba kuprovide driver's license, and also akaplead not guilty kuma charges esaya. In a U10 in the following day, also mukoti, Chillmaster is said to have pledged guilty. So at this point, and this is what will happen because on Wednesday I plead out angasiri guilty, then on Thursday he is pleading guilty, and I don't know, there's no farms to say, but we still wait for more procedure. So at this moment, sentencing I set it or judgment I set up our judgment, and we are not sure kuti achanzichi because there is I don't know if it is an offense kuti wambota was guilty, then the following day was wa guilty because unenge uchitanga uri kuwaste time judges. I don't know kuti imwe offense here, but according to section 49 act, so I was looking kuti what might be my probable sentences anokwanisa kupuwa. So one of the sentences anokwanisa kupuwa is a life in prison, and also maybe for a certain period of time in prison, or a fine to a certain not exceeding level 14. I don't know level 14 what is that, or a fine plus a sentence in prison. So we just hope kuti anopuwa a better sentencing because accident I think inongoitika kune munhu wese, and it's something chiri very unfortunate chakaitika kwaari. So at this moment more details will follow. I don't know what Chef Pera say. So tell us what you think in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe.